Are you looking to add someone to your credit card? That can be a great way to help them both credit score or manage finances. So here, how you can do it. So decide who to add. Consider the pros and cons of adding an authorized user. They will be able to make charges on your account and you will be responsible for their spending. So reach out to the credit card company, whichever credit card you are using. Just reach out their company and then through the customer services number or online portal inform them that you want to add an authorized user. So provide the necessary information. You'll need to provide the authorized user details such as their name, date of birth, and possibly their social security number as well. So after that, some credit card issuers allow you to set spending limit for authorized users. This can help you manage their spending and avoid unexpected charges. And after that, once the authorized user is added, they will receive their own credit card linked to your account. They can start using it for purchases. Make sure you monitor the account and keep an eye on the account activity to ensure that the authorized user is using the card responsibly. You can track spending through your credit card online portal or mobile application. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.